In this T20 World Cup, the big and most wonderful, beautiful match between Pakistan and India. Both teams are level, and maybe possible Pakistan win, and maybe possible India win. Pakistan have a good chance, and India have also a good chance. Pakistan batsmen, if we talk about Pakistan side, Shoaib Malik, Mohammad Rizwan, Fakhar Zaman, Babar Azam, these are the good batsmen in Pakistan. And if you talk about Indian side, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Hardik Pandya, some good batsmen in Indian team and some good batsmen in Pakistan team. As my opinion, win the toss and elected to bat fast, and that team will be a good chance to win this match. So see this video more till end. Click up link or down link. You can see more my information more about these two teams in about World Cup on Sunday. You can watch, you can see my more video in my YouTube. Thank you very much. And if anybody did not subscribe it yet, please subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos to see. Thank you very much. Good luck for Pakistan side.